So we've talked about your medical life list and how that's a really important piece of all your medical healthcare information. But you want to make sure that you then have that list with you at all times. And we might also want to think about having a list for other people in our family. Maybe you have a list for yourself. You also would have a list for your children, each child. And especially it's important if you're taking care of your loved one who's a senior, for instance. That medical life list for each of those individuals would be handy, kept with you at all times. So, depending on how you keep information, it's easy. You can keep it in your purse. If that's how you feel comfortable, just keep that list in your purse. If you have a smartphone, maybe you keep that list on your smartphone. Often people have basically, a little flash drive that they would keep the information on so that they could hand it to the healthcare provider and they could just download that information if in fact you go in. Now, why do you want to keep that information with you? Well, we don't always know when we're going to get sick, right? We don't know when we're going to get that call from school that says Johnny fell off the monkey bars and we have to go immediately to the ER. We don't necessarily know when grandma necessarily needs to, in the middle of the night, be rushed by ambulance to the hospital. And when we get to that ER, what do we want? We want that healthcare provider to instantaneously know the most information they could possibly know about us. We don't want to spend time filling out forms, trying to figure out what the medications are, or grabbing all the pill bottles. If you have that information with you, you'll know that you'll be prepared in the event of needing to know the most important healthcare information. So this is Lori Ann Rickard, helping you to spin your healthcare your way.